Good afternoon, mga kapamilya! We are celebrating a special day here in ABS-CBN for our newest stars. I'm your host, Ai de la Cruz, welcoming you to the Star Magic Contract Signing and Media Conference, Shining Now!
Star Magic sa puso.
Alam kong nakita nyo na ang teasers natin for the past few days, and this is it! The time has really come for the newest Star Magic artists to shine. We all can't wait to welcome them, so thank you to everyone joining us sa official YouTube and Facebook accounts of Star Magic and ABS-CBN Entertainment. Please show your support by sharing the live stream and keep on posting with our official hashtag for today, hashtag #ShiningNow. We have quite the lineup of rising new Star Magic artists today. Kaya syempre, here to support them as always, we have the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, Mr. Laurenti Jogi. And now we see Direct Lauren walking our red carpet, greeting our friends from the media and press. Hello, Direct Lauren. Good afternoon. Looking dapper as always. You may now take your seat. Full house din dito with our shining friends from the press, our Star Magic managers, and the loved ones of our Star Magic artists. Hello, everyone! Thank you po. Kahit masama ang lagay ng panahon, ay minabuti niyong pumunta po rito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to help us seal the deal with our first artists, joining Direk Lauren Jogi, nandito rin ang manager nila from Star Magic. We would like to acknowledge Cap Luz Bagalaksa! Thank you very much for being here today, fresh from London. Wow! Mga kapamilya, we all know that Star Magic artists shine not just on the surface. Tatak Star Magic ang artistang talented, hardworking, and well-rounded. So meet the two people who have worked with us behind the scenes for so many years to make our stars shine even brighter. It's finally their time. Shining now, Coach Tony Sarret and Coach Jim Sarret. Truly a power couple. Hello and welcome. Hi, Coach Jim and Coach Tony. Hello po. Kindly take your seats over there. Please join Direct Lauren and Cap Luz. There you go. Kindly settle down. You know, through the years, talagang naging bahagi ng journey ng iba't ibang stars sina Coach Jim and Coach Tony. So, I would like to ask you how you're feeling right now. How does it feel na kayo naman ang nasa spotlight ngayon?
Talaga? Well, isang malaking namamangha pa rin po kami, isang malaking pasasalamat po sa amin pong minamahal na Direk Lauren, Ninong. Salamat, you've known us before we were even married. Thank you, Direk, for being our mentor, our guiding star, our guardian angel, all these years for actually making us more realize and actualize our mission, vision in life, and our sole purpose. So, Direk, thank you for giving us this space, which is fitness, health, and wellness, and which is all the more amplified through all the platforms you have generously given us. Thank you, Direk. We wouldn't be here without you. We love you. And secondly po, siguro I'd also like, Direk, to take this opportunity na rin kasi bigay-pugay lang po ko sa mga tao like Direk Lauren, and second, my mother, who, Direk, actually 50 years ago po pala, she was po pala. Actually, 50 years ago, she worked here po. And she's here today, so coming full circle, ang hirap pong yayain to get out of the house. Pero nandito po ang aking mother. So, Direk, talagang salamat. Maraming salamat.
50 years ago po, Direk, she worked here under the late Henny Lopez Jr. and she was a proud executive secretary, sabi niya. Tapos nandito po siya. So parang, wow. Salamat.
Welcome back home, Mami.
Yes, hello po. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. De Maguila over there. Hello po, Mami Mary Paz De Maguila. Thank you so much for joining us. Coach Jim.
Well, it's been surreal. It's been a long journey with being with ABS, and we've always been a kapamilya before. And it's interesting to say na finally we're here when we've actually been here all this time. So we're just happy to really embrace the whole culture talaga, and happy to be here.
Thank you very much. And now, syempre gusto pa nating kilalanin sina Coach Jim and Coach Tony dahil napakarami na nilang achievements. Ano pa ba ang dapat nating malaman tungkol sa kanila? Mga kapamilya, let's watch this. Partners in life, love, and leveling up. Meet the Sarets.
Hi guys, I'm Coach Jim.
And I'm Coach Tony Saret.
Trusted across the country for their expertise and experience with top medical associations, various military departments, champion athletes, and the hottest celebrities. Sila ang naging pambansang sports, fitness at wellness coaches ng Pilipinas. Through the years, they have worked with ABS-CBN. Mula sa Biggest Loser Philippines Seasons 1 and 2, hanggang sa iba't ibang fitness shows and segments in different platforms. Now, it's time to know more about the Sarets.
We are the founders po ng the Fit Filipino movement.
The biggest health, wellness, and fitness program in the country. Nilaunch po namin ito bago mag-pandemic. Challenge po namin ang buong Pilipinas sa mag-donate po ng taba for that excess weight. And during the campaign, nakabito po kami ng
1.6 million pounds lang tama.
yes. So this is actually a first in the world, and we're very proud po of what we have done here.
We have been helping our Star Magic family in their physical transformation from no back to six pack.
Marami na po tayo natulungan ng mga kapamilya. Andiyan po ang PIRI, ang DGYO, ang mga hot summer natin mga kasama, sila rin Sken, sila General Secretary, and now we're also helping sila rin Diets, Robert Jaworski, and many, many more.
Our biggest dream is to help the whole country get fitter, healthier, and stronger.
One proud at a time.
A new journey begins for the couple that trains together and transforms lives together with the Tatak Star Magic Energy. Shining now, Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret. There you go, 1 pound at a time. I love that. And now it's time to sign the contract and continue the long-running relationship between Star Magic and Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret. As we can see right now, they are holding their pens, they're signing the contracts, they are sealing the deal. Coach Jim has a master's degree in sports medicine and athletic training from the US. And si Coach Tony naman did a postgraduate course training program in holistic nutrition in the US. They have trained and produced champion athletes from the NCAA, UAAP, PBA, and RP Smart Gilas. And the list goes on. Napakarami na nilang achievements. And now, i-achieve nila yun together with Star Magic. Again, welcome to Star Magic, Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret. And now we'd like to hear a few words from you. You know, Star Magic has trusted you for many years, and today shows how much you also trust Star Magic. So ano bang gusto niyo sabihin ngayon as you continue your journey with this family?
Of course, thank you very much to our ABS-CBN family, to Direk, of course, and to everybody else, to our Star Magic family. Cap, thank you for having us. And we are just super excited. It's been a very long journey for us. And so, it's interesting that we're signing now, even though we've been here for the longest time. Siguro kami yung meron ng show sa TV, nag-Biggest Loser na kami, nag-show na kami sa iba, pero ngayon lang kami nag-sign. So, it's been a very interesting journey, but very, very fun and very exciting. So we're grateful to be here, and we're super excited to actually continue on. So parang this is going to be another phase of our partnership with ABS-CBN. And so really looking forward to that.
Official na talaga ang inyong pagkatatak Star Magic. And let's make it more official with some photos. So please stand.
Yes,
yes,
so
please.
I just like to thank both of you. Alam ko, sabi nyo nga, bago pa mga, we're just officializing this, but you know that our relationship is beyond signing anything. And thank you for making our artists healthy and for keeping me healthy. Alam ko naman, pag may kailangan ako, tinatawagan ko kayo. Kaya lang, minsan masyado mahirap yung challenges na binibigay niyo sa akin. But as long as you keep our artists and the nation healthy, we're very, very honored to represent the Sarets, Tony, and Jim. Maraming salamat for honoring us also for being officially with Star Magic. Maraming salamat sa aking mga inaanak. Okay.
Thank you, Ninong Lauren. Yes, Ninong Direct Lauren. And now let's pose for some photos. Let's make it official with these photos. Everybody, okay. There you go. And now let's pose for some photos. Our official photographer is here from Nice Print. Thank you very much, by the way, to Ms. Charistino and Nice Print for our official photos today. Thank you. And now please take your seats once again because we have a few more questions mula sa ating friends from the media. So our first question is for Coach Jim. Coach Jim, can you share your journey into fitness coaching and what inspired you to pursue it?
Okay, that's a good question. So I have long story, make it short. I was a former national athlete. I went to the US. I had a tennis scholarship. I took my master's in sports medicine. I came back. I got offered to teach at UP. Then I got an invitation to be part of a PBA team. Then I got invited to become the head of the Philippine Olympic Committee sports training program.
Wow.
And then, so we were training all the elite athletes in the country. And then we got a call naman for a audition for ABS-CBN's The Biggest Loser. So the switch was there. And then, parang ganun na, nag-full circle na kami from training elite athletes all the way to training yung pinakamataba sa Pilipinas. So it's been a very, very interesting ride for us.
And now that you've mentioned, yun nga, no, na you have trained kahit yung mga from athletes hanggang sa mga medyo unfit natin na mga kababayan. Coach Tony, could you share some success transformations from your celebrity clients that stand out for you?
Like Coach Jim was saying, from the polar ends of the spectrum, no? From the most elite, tapos yung mga weekend warriors lang na gusto maging healthy at talagang yung medyo sobrang obese na or may kabigatan. So, with that said, parang sabi ko, wow, all-encompassing, fitness, health, and wellness. Kailangan pangkalahatan, hindi lang sa mga nakaka-afford or hindi lang, not just for artists, not just, so, siguro, it progressed from there. Being athletes, Coach Jim and I, like I was saying earlier, Direk Ninong, hindi pa po kami kinakasal when we were already when we were athletes. And then from there, I think it's a natural progression where you just from being athletes, you become coaches, and after which, siguro it became a natural instinct to start coaching people, which is a holistic approach, emotional, mental, physical. Lahat yan kailangan may lugod ka talaga sa iko-coach mo o tuturuan mo. And from then on, direct siguro, ang tinutukoy ko is at this phase, at this point in time, parang maraming salamat sa platform na binigay mo. Ang gusto namin mangyari ay talagang maging pangkalahatan na ang fitness at maabot kamay through what you gave us to get each and every Filipino fitter, healthier, and stronger.
I remember just recently, sila Emilio Daes has been going, sila Robbie Jaworski, sila ang nagpapahirap sa kanila. But of course, mga prominent ones, silang unang-una rin nagpahirap sa Bini and BGYO. So yun yung mga ano nila. And on a regular basis during summer, we have a special program just to make them look fitter and more summer-looking. But more than anything, we just want them to be fit and well mentally and physically. There's a healthy approach to doing this. It's not just, the weights and everything. I think more than anything, what I appreciate with the Sarets, yung total nila approach is mental, psyche, and physical. And sometimes we work with no weights at all. Just minsan, during the pandemic, mga pinabubuhat na sa kanila, mga, mga water, lang, di ba? So, yun.
In fact, Direk, yung concept mo nga po sa Biggest Loser, yung kayang abot kamay ng bawat Pinoy at katao, di ba? Yung body weight, tapos gumawa kami ng mga home-made equipments para hindi talaga elitist at lahat talaga pwedeng mag-workout. Para sa lahat talaga, para lahat everybody gets healthy and well.
Tama, di ba? Hindi sila ma-intimidate na, pang mayaman lang yung pag-workout. Kaya ng bawat Pilipino, basta tama yung mindset. So thank you for inspiring the whole nation, Coach Jim and Coach Tony Saret. Thank you so much for your time and also for your family, for being here again. Shout out po to Mrs. Dimagila, Mr. and Mrs. Dimagila, ang parents po ni Coach Tony, for being here.
Siguro, direct last na po, si Mommy din po nag-moonlight. Proud na proud po ko sa nanay ko kasi sana po kamukha ko nanay ko, kaya lang kamukha ko si Daddy eh. Si Mommy po, nag-moonlight din po siya, nag-cameo po direct nung mga, sabi niya sa Pinilakang Tabing, nakasama ko sina Dolphy, tapos kami yung mga, sa cameo roles, direct, I think they were 3 secretaries or 2. Kaya si Mommy sabi niya, kaya nakapag ano pa ako, kasama ko pa si Bayani Casimiro, nag-backup dancer kami, kasama ko si Napilita Corrales.
So talagang showbiz ang lineage mo.
Yes po, direct.
So, direct parang nagpaparinig po si Coach Tony. Oo.
hindi po, direct.
One day,
yun
one
din
day,
daw
one
yung
day.
passing niya.
Napaproud lang po ako kay Mommy.
Meron pa tayong challenge sa kanila, papayatin ang buong Pilipinas and keep them healthy. So watch out for their program to help the entire nation be healthier and fitter.
Yun muna, no? 1 pound at a Star Magic!